Hi, I'm Eric, and welcome to Business Law Day 3. Today we'll cover court procedures and key legal terms you need to know. Why procedures matter. Procedural rules guide every lawsuit, ensuring fairness and order. The litigation process has three phases: the pretrial, trial, and post-trial. The very first step is to hire a licensed attorney for guidance. Their fees can be fixed, meaning a one-time payment, hourly, or contingency, meaning a payment will be made if and only if they win the case. The reality is that litigation can be costly. Clients may choose to settle to save time or when full payment is uncertain. Pleadings are the initial court documents. Complaints are made by the plaintiff and it states three things: jurisdiction, legal theory, and remedy sought. A summons informs the defendant of the lawsuit. Service can be done by a sheriff or authorized person. In a company, it goes to an officer or registered agent. If either side fails to be present at the trial, default judgment is issued in favor of the side that is present. Motions are requests for the court to make a decision before or during trial. Motion to dismiss ends a case if there's no legal claim or jurisdiction. Motion to strike removes specific paragraphs. Motion for more definite statement clarifies vague claims. This motion asks for a decision based only on pleadings if facts are undisputed. Motion to compel forces discovery compliance. Summary judgment asks the court to decide without trial if no facts are in dispute using affidavits and evidence. An affidavit is a written, sworn statement of facts often used in motions or discovery. Discovery lets both sides gather evidence before trial to prevent surprises. A deposition is sworn out-of-court testimony recorded for later use in trial. Hearsay is an out-of-court statement offered to provide truth. Generally, it's inadmissible at trial. Trial starts with opening statements, then witness and expert examinations, and motions may occur during trial. The jury listens to evidence and receives instructions on the law from the judge. During cross-examination, the opposing lawyer questions the witness to challenge their story, test memory, or reveal inconsistencies. After evidence, lawyers summarize their case. The jury deliberates and issues a verdict. Parties can request a new trial or judgment NOV if the verdict is believed wrong. A writ of execution lets the winning party enforce the judgment, like seizing property or funds. A brief is a written argument explaining why a party should win, often used in appeals. If a party believes a legal error occurred, they can appeal. Appellate courts review lower court decisions. Parties can appeal to higher courts like a state Supreme Court or the U.S. Supreme Court. Understanding these procedures and terms is essential for any legal case. Thanks for learning with me.